The distributive property of multiplication. The distributive property says that you can multiply a number by decomposing or breaking up the number. So instead of saying a times b, we could actually break the b up into two smaller numbers. If we look at an example, if we have 5 times 9, I could break 9 up into two smaller numbers. 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 gives me 9. So I'm decomposing the 9. What I would do is solve 5 times 4 and 5 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. So I'm still doing 5 times 9, but now I have 20 plus 25. 5 times 9 is 45. 20 plus 25 gives me 45. If we look at another example, here we have 3 times 8. We have to ask ourselves, 8, how can we decompose or break down 8? So I'm going to decompose or break down 8 by using 4s. 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I have 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 gives me 24. So 3 times 8 equals 24. Again, the distributive property of multiplication says you can multiply a number by decomposing or breaking up the number. If we look at these examples, we have 7 times 6. We could break up 6 or decompose 6. What two numbers could I use to decompose 6? I could say 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 makes 6. So now I'm going to solve 7 times 3 and 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. And then 7 times 3 is 21. Now I have to add 21 plus 21. 21, 21, and again we are adding. 1 plus 1 makes 2. 2 plus 2 makes 4. That tells me that 21 plus 21 is 42. That also tells me that 7 times 6 is 42. We look at another example. Here I have 3 times 12. I'm going to ask myself, what could I decompose or break 12 up into? So I'm going to say 3 times 4 plus 3 times 8. 4 plus 8 gives me 12. Now I need to solve those two problems. 3 times 4, 3, 6, 9, 12. And then 3 times 8 would be, that's right, 24. So now I'm adding 12 plus 24. 2 plus 4 makes 6. 1 plus 2 makes 3. So 12 plus 24 is 36. So that means that 3 times 12 is 36.